Good afternoon from actually Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We don't say Murfreesboro very often in our videos. Sushi Saturdays is normal. When we're in town, we're getting sushi at our favorite hibachi place. Costco, we've heard some of them have a couple of Halloween items in stock. Also got to run to Publix real quick. Not very exciting there, but Old Bay Goldfish are in stock. Thank you every day Saturday for letting us know about that. I'm a huge Old Bay fan. And I don't know if we'll do anything else or not, but definitely go check out some Costco Halloween merch. And definitely go right behind us to Xiaos.
Hey, look, there's a cornfield right there. I just noticed.
Oh, that's cool. Cornfield. Kind of want to go through there and see if there's like anything spooky in there, like a ghost or a cool like skeleton. That'd be cool.
Or a scarecrow.
Oh, that'd be cool too. But yeah, we're heading inside with some sushi. Stuff gets the hibachi normally. Their lunch specials are just an amazing deal here with great staff. So if we're in town, this is where we are on the weekends. So let's head on inside and get some of that fresh sushi. It's another Sushi Saturday. For Stephanie, we do share a avocado roll, but she gets the hibachi lunch here. We've become regulars at this place. Look at those hibachi lunch prices for the best hibachi in town right there. They have bento boxes on lunch, but this is back up here for the sushi bar lunch and sushi roll lunch. You get the miso soup and the salad. You have all these options here and these options here. They do have a giant sushi menu in here. It's upside down now, but there's a whole big one in here with a lot more options and some more expensive rolls. But you get your selection of all these rolls here. And pretty much every roll we've ever tried on this menu has been fantastic. 2 for $11, 3 for $14, comes with the soup and the salad. So you can't beat it. But if you want more expensive rolls, they do have them like more, like some have tuna inside, tuna outside, things like that. I can show you real quick actually. I think the menu is right here. Where's the, yeah, there's some of their signature rolls and stuff. But for lunch, you can't beat it. Best deal in town. This is where we come pretty much every Saturday now, almost I feel like. We'll show you the food when it comes out. Just like most traditional hibachi places, Steph gets the ginger salad with hers. For the lunch, you don't get the soup, but for the dinner, you get to get the soup. But it's about $10 or $12 cheaper for lunch. It's well worth the price. A really good deal. And then the sushi comes with the ginger salad and the traditional miso soup. So 2 rolls, soup, and salad for $12. I mean, you can't beat that. The sushi here is literally top notch. We love the sushi here. The food has arrived. Here's Steph's hibachi lunch, steak, veggies, and rice there.
And their zucchini is delicious. It's so good. It's the best I've ever had.
And they have a little bigger portions at dinner, and you do get a couple of shrimps at dinner time. But you save like 10 or 12 bucks for lunch. It's a good deal. There's their spicy tuna, and there's the avocado roll. We actually get the avocado roll fried, like the tempura batter. It's really good. But there's their sushi. They always have these little like plants and stuff there. Pretty cool. But we have some amazing sushi here. And I've tried probably 12 or 15 different rolls here. I feel like all of them are fantastic. But we're gonna dig in.
Try to use a chopstick?
No chopsticks today.
Me, I'm trying. Look.
There you go. Well, back to the car. We are. That's a cool rhyme. Another great meal at Xiao. If you're going to Murfreesboro, Tennessee, you like hibachi, you like sushi, you like this place. Staff is great again. Stephanie's steak hibachi was great again, and my sushi was fantastic as always. Tried ranging from the most cheapest rolls to like some of the highest end rolls, and the quality never wavers no matter how much you spend, and it's always great and super fresh. So quick run to Publix and then Costco. I don't know what else we'll do. Maybe I just call it a day. It's 100 degrees in our car right now. Literally like the temperature outside, not just inside. And it was at 102 earlier. So if y'all remember Terminator 2, is that a little guy in, I think it was Terminator 2, yeah. It was like the not T2000. I can't remember his name now. I think it's 2000. But the cop, the liquid cop guy, I can't remember his name now. He goes in the pool, liquid. That's what I'll be at the end of the video. Just at the little pool, like. But let's go get some goldfish, y'all. We were heading into Publix, and I thought that said liquor and wine. It said food, treats, toys, and more. But it's liquor and wine, like for pets. That's funny. Heading into the old Publix. This is where we do our shopping at. But the 2 Publix that are near us, where we live at, don't have these goldfish. So hopefully they have them in stock. But we'll know here in a few minutes. We were walking over to the chip aisle. I was like, you know what? I wonder if they got the pinkity drinkities in. And guess what? The Starbies pink drinks are here. $2 off of the manufacturer coupon. Gonna get a couple of those. And they're buy 2, get 1 free right now on these. So I want to get me a couple of these 4-packs here for the house. And these Starbucks espressos I love too. So then we'll get 1 espresso, maybe 2 espressos and 1 of these. Oh no. We'll mix it up. We'll definitely get to the pinks. Just regular coffee, sugar, and like cream or milk that they put in there. And there's the mochas I like. But these are my absolute favorite right here. Just the plain old espresso and cream. You pop one of those bad boys open, play some Fortnite. Oh yeah.
Okay, the moment of truth. We are coming up on the Goldfishies.
Yep, we got a Starbucks, 2 of these guys, 2 of these guys, and Stephanie's got the other one there. Buy 2, get 1 free plus a $2 coupon. Do they have them? Is every day a Saturday, right?
Do we see them?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they do. You can't stop it.
That's good. I gotta fix the shelf. Definitely gonna get one though. Jennifer and Brent had actually talked about these. They know what a big Old Bay fan I am of Old Bay seasoning. And we have, really, we have 3 Publix in our house, really. This one's not one of them.
None of them have it.
And 2 of them I've already checked and none of them have them. But now they have them here. So if these are good, Brent, if y'all watching, you better give me a supply of these on the drive out here. Woo, Goldfish, Old Bay. I'm excited. Heading from Publix to the old Costco next. And what a great deal here as I get rented by car here. He was pulling through a spot. But those Starbucks drinks saved $2 off digital coupon. Clip it through Publix. And then the buy 2, get 1 free. About $12 in savings right there. Or $11 in savings. That was pretty good. And then get to try the pink drinks. We love those pink drinks from Starbucks in general. So it'd be nice to try them at home to see how they are. Hopefully it's the same recipe. And those other drinks I drink all the time at home while gaming. That's my gaming fuel. And then Old Bay Goldfish. I can't wait to try them. I just can't wait. Can't wait. Just tried the Goldfish Old Bay. I was like, I've got to try a couple real quick. We just got eating lunch. I'm not even hungry. There they are. The irresistible way to Old Bay is on Goldfish crackers. It's 101 degrees right now. So I wish I was up in like Chesapeake area or Maine right now or somewhere, or be a little cooler. Fantastic.
Ooh, they're strong smelling.
They smell like Old Bay, which they should. And the best Goldfish I ever had. I'll tell you right now. If you don't like Old Bay, you won't like it.
Stay away.
Yeah, if you don't like Old Bay, stay away. But that's the best Goldfish I ever had. You get that traditional orange Goldfish crackers taste still, mixed with the Old Bay. Oh man. Good, very good. We were passing by and decided to stop at the Happy Book Stack. We've been here before. It's a little locally owned bookstore, very friendly staff. They've opened a new room now. Look at this. They call it the Mass Market Room. All these books in here. And we're going to show you, there's the main room you come in right here. Entrance to your left right there. And then there's also a big room back here in the back. And here's the main room in the back. They have a kids club down there. Rows and rows and rows of books. It's just a nice little place in here. It feels super cool, air conditioning too, so it's nice. Similar to McKay's, just a smaller version of McKay's and locally owned. You got board games. There's all kinds of neat little things in here. So we're gonna look around at the books and we'll show you if we find anything to buy. Who remembers the Golden books growing up? I'm not sure these are more current or actually original ones, but it's definitely old right there. The Sesame Street, the Together book, Incredible Hulk, that's a newer one. But man, we grew up on these things. That's so cool to see all these here. Bugs Bunny Pioneer, the Christmas Story. Those are cool. Look how many they have here. So many. The Saggy Baggy Elephant. And head to HBS Comics and Collectibles. We got comics, books, and more books. I believe it's the same owners as the one next door. We have like 3 or 4 rows of books here. And you got the Funko Pops, whole wall of them right there. You have some more books right up here. So it is confirmed it is the same owners as the Happy Book Stack. So next door. But over here they have CDs real quick to show you. And Blu-rays in here too. And video games on that aisle. But right now in this little section right here, look at that for stuff right there. Fear Street Super Thriller Secrets, R.L. Stine book. They also have like the Zelda, the Power of the Myth, Star Wars.
A YA book that I would typically read.
What's YA mean?
Young adult.
Young adult, okay. So I'm a young adult, alright.
You would read young adult books, yes.
Oh, very cool. Look at these Zelda books though. Oh, they're so nice. This is a really nice place in here. There's the video games right there. And the stuff is found something over here.
Oh, yeah, just Children of Blood and Bone.
Another good trip to the Happy Book Stack. And this time, next to it is HBS Comics and Collectibles. And we did confirm, I think I mentioned in the video too, owned by the same people. The comics and collectibles are going to be the Funko Pop that you saw and things like that. And also some of their books are more like, as we call young adult, horror, gaming books, comics, the hardback comic books, all that stuff. And Stephanie got a few things here.
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna show? What you got?
I got the Fear Street. Well, we showed you already inside. And then, ow, this one just caught my eye. I don't even know what it's called. A Day of Fallen Night. It's a really, really big one. For this one, $12.49. Originally $35. And it just came out last year, I believe is what it said there. So I'm excited to read that one. And The Stardust Thief. What's really cool is they get books where people subscribe to Owl Crate or Owl...
And Fairy Loot.
Owl Crate and Fairy
Loot.
Loot.
So the fairy something, yeah.
And they send you boxes with signed copies, signed editions, special merchandise. You get stickers, you get bookmarks and stuff like that. But this one was a signed copy from an Owl Crate box. Maybe, if I can find it. So this one has the author's signature.
That's really cool.
And it was only $14.99. And currently this book, brand new, on Amazon is $15.99.
Let's go. $1 cheaper.
$1 cheaper and a signed copy. And it's brand new. Like, these edges just get me every time. I love books like this. So, I'm really excited.
Yep. And then, finally, we're going to be headed to Costco, I think. No more stops. But maybe. We'll see. Costco should be next. Womp, womp, womp. They got pool chlorine. They got some outdoor pillows. But no Halloween. No Halloween supplies to be seen. We're getting some of those again. We get one for my parents. We get one for us. Those Reese's dipped animal crackers are some of the best things ever.
Good.
But yeah, no Halloween. I'm gonna get some milk and a couple of little things here we need to go ahead and get. But man, I was looking forward to that. Oh, we got some cool Halloween stuff. They have a toothbrush, but no Halloween. And pool supplies, but no Halloween.
Well, Jared, is like July, you know.
I'm ready for it. I can smell the fog from HHN already.
There's a whole basket full of them.
Oh, poof. We'll show you all the poofs in a minute we're talking about. These are the poofs we're talking about. They're $40. And they're just like real heavy, durable kind of poofs. Really nice. Kind of like an ottoman, or it can be the seat. Cool design on it. Little leather strap right there. They're pretty nice. Stuff's going to be over there in the book section. But Mom was wanting that little blue one, I believe. But they have a lot of browns left. And we have one gray over here in our little reserve section. So I'm going to see if Mom wants to get the gray one or not. But if not, we may have to wait. She wants the blue, I believe, at first. But they're pretty nice. I like these little poofs. Ottoman, seat, whatever you want to call it. And there is our Costco haul. 2% milk, boring. Trash bags, boring. Look, interesting for stuff.
Oh my god, look at those edges.
And the inside, I think, too.
It's beautiful.
Not boring. Those things look really good.
Oh, look at the cover.
That's nice.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, we just need some trash bags, some milk anyways, and so I might as well get that while we're here looking for Halloween merch. That about does it for us for Saturday. It's been up to 102, and that feels like, but in the car, 102 on the car. Feels like 743 outside, literally. Not kidding. Thank you for joining us for Zao. Love their sushi, love their hibachi. If you're in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, check them out. You'll love it. A little Costco run there. If y'all see any Halloween merch, Halloween decorations, let us know. We'd love to go check it out. We've got, I think, 3 or 4 other Costco's not too far from us, and we'll definitely check those out. And yeah, the Happy Bookstore, or Happy Book Place.
Happy Book Stack.
Happy Book Stack, and their comic book store, which is new next door, and like toys, comic books, things like that. Pretty cool. If you're in Murfreesboro, again, check that place out. But with that being said, that's going to do it for us. Thanks for joining us. And the nerds are...
Out.
And...
Using hand sanitizer?
So we want to say thank you.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you for hanging out with us. We know it was a very boring, not boring, it was an average Saturday for us. If we're in town, this is kind of what we're doing.
Yep.
Just running around, running errands, getting things done so we can go out of town and have some fun. So thank you for hanging in there and hanging with us.
Now time to go home and play some Fortnite.
Read a book.
I think tomorrow maybe Chattanooga, actually. So we're going to look out. We're going to try to go to Chattanooga tomorrow to do Sugar's Ribs.
Yeah.
And one other place. What was that place? Oh, the little W Park out there. Yeah. So keep an eye out for that video in the future. And we already did the nerds are out, but I did the thank you. So yeah, nerds are out again.
Bye.